What's up, you guys? Now, I know that I've shown you some of my favorite drugstore products. You know, I love a little high-low. So today, we're taking it high, and I am showing you the luxury products that I absolutely cannot live without and that I think are totally worth the splurge. Everyone starts their day by brushing their teeth, but do you brush your teeth with a luxury toothbrush? That's the question. I am obsessed with my electronic sonic toothbrush by Vanity Planet. Shout out to my Vanity Planet fam for sponsoring this video. So obviously there are so many like these. First of all, this one is actually super affordable compared to a lot of the others. And it's affordable compared to a lot of these other products I'm about to show you. Not only does it look really pretty with this little gold setup, you guys, how cute is this? It has a UV light sanitization little section, like a compartment in here, that actually kills 99% of the bacteria on your toothbrush. So every time you brush your teeth, you know that you're brushing with a clean toothbrush. How awesome is that? So look at that. See that little blue light? Lets me know, it gives me the confidence that my teeth are gonna be really clean. You open that up, and boom, I take the little head out just like so. This also comes with 3 different brush heads. So I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I normally use the Marvis lavender toothpaste, but I ran out, so Aquafresh will do. See, high-low people, high-low. I wish you guys could feel this. Everybody needs a luxury toothbrush in their life. Some things are worth the splurge. This is it. No one wants a yuck mouth. I also love that it has 4 different brush modes. Gets your teeth super clean. Now, this isn't awkward at all, brushing my teeth at a vanity set. No, but I was trying to really put you guys on to my favorite luxury products, and this is one of them. And guess what? You can also get 75% off of this luxury product by clicking the link in the description. Don't ever say I didn't hook you up. And every day when you smile and your teeth look bomb, think of me. Okay, moving right along because this just got awkward brushing my teeth at the vanity. But this is an amazing product and I had to tell you about it. Now, when you get out of the shower, make sure that you hydrate and lotion your body, but not just with anything. Oh no, only the best goes on this skin. This is terrible because it was actually a gift originally that I got. Now I actually have to continue to purchase it because I love it so much and I know it's really expensive. It is the Christian Dior des Anges. Christian Dior body gel. Wow. How do you pronounce this? Oh, Lana, don't you try. Cody, how do you say that? Lana, how do you think it's pronounced? Okay, guys, the point is, it is creme pour le corps, cream for your body cream. Yo, we need smell-o-vision. Tesla, come on, just step in, Tesla. You know this smells bomb.
Wow.
Okay, don't front.
No, that smells expensive.
It is expensive, it is luxury, and I love that it's really fragrant. But what I love about that is that, like, even once your perfume has worn off, this doesn't. And it leaves, like, creepy, but like my bra smells like it. Like it smells very, I just love it. I was gonna get very intimate here, but my underclothes definitely smells like Jasmine des Anges. What's the price on this, Lana? This is $100, but I swear it's so worth it. After I lotion my body, then obviously I lotion my face. Again, Dior has some of my favorite skin products, my favorite luxury skin products. And honestly, if you are going to spend money on anything, it really should be on 1, your hygiene, make sure your teeth are right, and 2, your skin, your face. Like, that is so worth every penny. When your skin looks great, your makeup goes on better. Heck, sometimes you don't even need to wear makeup anymore. Your skin is just radiant and glowing. And one of the things that helps my skin is the Dior Prestige La Creme. It comes with, Lana, where's the little stick for this? Guys, it has its own little pearl stick. I think we left it in my bathroom. Again, smells incredible. Fun fact, when you start using really great products and you have a bougie husband like mine, he starts using them as well. And this is one of Israel's favorite products that I own. This cream, I'm just telling you, put your man onto it. His skin will be popping, your skin is popping, you're glowing and flourishing together. It's a beautiful thing. It's for your face and your neck, because I feel a lot of us ladies forget our necks. Luxury products that are for your face and neck, it is so worth it. So, what's the price on this, Lana?
$400.
Okay, I know, I know people, I know. It is extremely expensive. but so worth it. This is like one of those things you save up for, you use a little by little. Okay, then from there, it's important to also make sure that you moisturize your lips and your mouth. A lot of people end up getting wrinkles like in here on their mouths, and I feel like things like this can definitely solve that problem. It is the Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask for all skin. You can get this at Sephora, and it's luxury, but it's not breaking the bank. This actually costs like 20 bucks. Once my face has been luxuriously prepped, the next move is now getting my makeup on for the day. I actually like to start with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I used to not use primer, but now I do. Somebody put me on, and I heard this is the best one. I know so many bloggers use it. It's like a blogger favorite. It's how I find out. I watch YouTube as well. And the Smashbox one is dope. It's oil-free, and I love the finish. So this is amazing. You lay this down before you put your makeup on, and then obviously I follow that up with my foundation. Every blogger, every makeup expert will always tell you that one of their favorite foundations will definitely be, boom, Giorgio Armani, the Luminous Silk Foundation. This is amazing. I wear color 7. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my beauty blender. Technically, beauty blender would also be considered a luxury item. Although I may use drugstore beauty products, a lot of the time I never use a drugstore beauty blender. I always use the brand beauty blender. It's my favorite. Makes a huge difference. You can see that. Now, what I love about this Giorgio Armani foundation is how sheer it is. I actually think that's amazing for the rest of your face and let your concealer conceal what it needs to conceal. Does that make sense? So I feel like foundation should actually just even out your skin tone, and I love it for that. So Giorgio Armani, you can find at department stores and online, and that is $42 for this size, and actually lasts you a really long time. And then I'll follow that up with Clé de Peau. Now, Clé de Peau is like world renowned, the best concealer you will ever purchase in your entire life, and so worth it. And because it's so expensive, it's actually amazing that just a little goes a long way. It's full coverage, and I use their concealer in 2 different colors. I have, this is the almond one, and then when I'm darker, I use O'Share. I'm gonna go with the almonds right now. Their concealer, and guys, can't front. I'm obsessed. And just a little goes such a long way. Blend that out. I actually do think that it is worth investing in like a luxury concealer like Clé de Peau. But if you want something a bit more affordable that does just as good a job, I love Tarte's Shape Tape. You can only get it at Ulta, and I think it works just as well. You guys, look at that. That's like a great concealer. $75 for a concealer. Now that seems extreme, but my under eyes are popping right now, so. The next thing I am gonna go with is my Cheetalicious namesake, Chanel. They have the bombest bronzer. Oh, I'm obsessed. So it comes like this. Obviously, I've gotten some good use out of that. Pop this. Let's do like my forehead. And just dust that ever so lightly. I actually feel like we could put this on my nose as well. And you know that I have an obsession with anything Chanel ever since I played Chanel in the Cheetah Girls. Just the other day, I went and got coffee, and I had options of what I could have in my coffee. Lana got her face. I got the CC's for Chanel, and I was like, Chuchi forever. Chuchi all day, every day. Oh my gosh, you guys. I totally forgot a step. Okay, for special occasions, like the last time I did this was for the Emmys, when you really want your skin to look phenomenal, it is so worth it. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Magic Facial Dry Sheet Mask. You guys, it's dry. You put it on your face for 15 minutes. Hydrates, lifts, reduces wrinkles, smooths, and brightens, you guys. Expert facialist results in just 15 minutes. I thought it was a lie. Shout out to my girl Jeannie Mike who put me onto this. The next time I will open this one will probably be next year at the Emmys again, because it's expensive. How much does this cost? 20. All right, it's not that expensive, but like for a face mask, $22, and it's pretty packaging, we're gonna save this. Lana? Guys, comment below if you wanna see more of Lana. Catch it. Oh, that was a major fail. Oh, sorry, the last one fell bad, my bad, okay. I love you. It's my homegirl right there. The next beauty product that I am absolutely obsessed with is Everything and anything Pat McGrath. She's legendary. She's done Vogue covers and she's just iconic in the fashion world. And she now has her line, voila. This is literally all you need. You don't need any other eyeshadow palette. This is it. This covers everything from like trying to do an eggplant smoky eye, to a shimmery eye, to a pale nude eye, to a red eye. Your classic browns that you absolutely always need are right here. A good shimmer for your corner or your highlight is here. There's a pearlized. And what I love is when you buy luxury products, they are more true to color. When I say true to color, I'm like, when you swatch this is this color here in the palette. It looks that way. The question is it gonna look like that on my skin? So I'm gonna show you guys right now that this is red. And then watch me swatch it. That's amazing. Okay, so Pat McGrath, you're amazing. I cannot wait for the day. I'm manifesting it that you do my makeup. You are iconic. I love you. I love your work. Love your products. Moving right along. If you wanna have fun this summer, I would say the most fun luxury beauty brand has to be from my girl, Rihanna, Fenty Beauty. Hello, do you see this? This is not only highlighter, this can be eyeshadow, this can be blush. And this is her Kilowatt Foil, and it's in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. All the fun, colorful makeup is out for this summer, but if you're not willing to go all the way, this is a great start. So I'm gonna do like a little pop right in the middle. Okay, I actually really love this. Do you see that? So I just wanna show you guys, like if you're not ready to like full on do neon eyeliners or any of that crazy fun stuff, this is a fun pop of color, like right to the center of your lid. Can you see that? Check out the orange popped right in the middle. That's cute too. That is a fun look. You guys already know I love Fenty's beauty products, especially the Fenty Glass Bombs, amazing. So add that to the luxury list. How much does this cost?
$35.
This is $35. So that's a great one. You guys know that I love blush. Blush is one of my like favorite things I can't go without. I feel like even if I didn't have all this luxury items and I just needed one thing, blush might be the go-to. So for the summer, I'm loving cream blushes and cream highlighters. And my favorites right now are Charlotte Tilbury. So these are two different ones. This one is Las Salinas and this one is Moon Beach. And they technically can be used for lip or cheek. I like to use them more so for the cheek. This is the one that I've mainly been using. And you can apply that just like that and then just work it in there. Totally worth it. This is great for when you're trying to do a no makeup look. Like I take these, they're actually called beach sticks, and I would absolutely always have this in a beach bag, in a pool bag, when you're sitting in the sun and you just want a little pick-me-up. See that glowy effect? Oh, obsessed. So I love, love, love. These cost $45. Pat McGrath also has an incredible highlighting stick. It's called Pat McGrath Labs Golden Skin Fetish Highlighter Balm Duo. This is an insane highlighter, and what I love is that on this side, it actually looks kind of matte when you put it on. Right, I do that at my tip of my nose too. Right, it kind of looks matte going on, but then you have the option of really making it dewy on the other side. This is more like just a petroleum stick that really creates a dewy effect. Charlotte Tilbury also has one of my favorite palettes for cheek, highlight, and contour. Cannot live without the Glowgasm Face Palette. 4 skin and eye gliding highlighters. Oh, you can also use it for your eyes. I would totally use this for my eyes. Since we're just going for it, people. I love this. This definitely has my favorite blush colors in it. This is great for a contour. This is great for a highlight, and it all comes in one kit. This is a luxury item. Again, check out this packaging. Ooh la la. All right, luxury lip colors that I'm obsessed with. Mary J. Blige. It is the MAC Viva Glam My Life 25. Tell me that isn't the perfect peach. That is a perfect peach lip color. Mary J. Blige, definitely one of my favorite recording artists of all time. I always get really excited for the collaborations that MAC does. I was definitely obsessed with the Selena collection. This is going right in my purse. I'm not even leaving it here. How perfect is that? And now, my favorite nude luxury lip combo. Starting with Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner Pillow Talk. This is the lip liner that makes everybody say, did she do her lips? No, it's called an amazing lip liner and technique. Now, what is different about this? For some reason, I don't know what the science is behind it, but this almost fills the area in between and it'll look like it's actually your lip. Penelope Pink, favorite. Tell me that is not the perfect nude. I love a nude that almost has like a peachy feel. It should feel like fashion. It shouldn't feel like death. I'm also weird about just using lipstick. I personally love a top coat of gloss. Peachy Plump. It has like a minty feeling to it that's amazing, but it's not like a burning feeling. Almost like a refreshing minty feel. That's perfection. This is my go-to perfect luxury nude combinación. Boop. Love that. Now, before I'm done with my makeup on my face, I also want to show you guys my favorite eyeliner. It's a black eyeliner for a perfect wing, and it is by Bobbi Brown, and it's called Black Ink, and it is the long wear gel eyeliner. You'll need a little liquid eyeliner pen. What I like about using these pots is that I feel like sometimes it's a bit more precise and it's a bit more potent and a bit more pigmented than some of your liquid liners. Comment below if you see the fly buzzing around me. Hi. Hi. Oh, hey, okay. Just being disrespectful. Speaking of luxury, the fly decides to make a cameo appearance. Boom. Eyeliner done. Perfection. Now, one of the last steps in doing your glam or getting ready is body makeup, which I know is a new thing. What is going on here with this fly? Oh my God, the ninja flies. Oh my God, there's another bug. Is that the same one? Yo! No one invited you for a cameo. Is that Israel? Can you please get it? Wow!
Whizzed by.
Oh, right there, Israel, right there. Why are you trying to catch it in your Hermes hat? Speaking of luxury. Right by the buckle, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, it's
Fail. Oh.
your foot, step. Ah! Oh, that's not it. Sorry, I noticed that.
That scream was outstanding, though.
I was gonna tell you about KKW Beauty, but the way that this fly is coming to attack me, I'm gonna quickly say that I use tan and gold and the product is bomb and worth it. On that note, I would definitely love to say thank you to Vanity Planet for sponsoring this video again. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Stay luxurious while that fly comes around.